Hey family, Wayne here. Now let me tell you something. Just because the stock market goes up a little does not mean the danger is gone. On April 6th, the market moved modestly higher. The Dow, the S&P, and the Nasdaq were all up. Sounds good, right? But at the same time, the world was watching rising tensions around Iran, possible ceasefire talks, and major threats to the Strait of Hormuz, that narrow waterway that moves a huge share of the world's oil. So today, we're gonna break this down in plain English. Why did stocks rise? Why was oil still hot? And what should regular people, investors, and YouTube content creators actually learn from this moment? This reminds me of a dude I once knew in New York. He walks into a room smiling, looking fresh, shoes shining, smelling expensive, like life is perfect. But then you find out he's got rent due, 2 credit cards maxed out, and his car is making a noise that sounds like a gospel tambourine in distress. That's what the market looked like. The outside said, "We're okay." But underneath, stress, oil stress, war stress, inflation stress, interest rate stress. So yes, the market moved up, but it moved up like a man smiling while the whole house is creaking. Here's what was really happening. First, investors saw signs of possible ceasefire negotiations involving the U.S. and Iran. That gave the market a little hope. Hope is enough to push stocks up for a day. But oil stayed in focus because the Strait of Hormuz is still one of the most important oil choke points in the world. The International Energy Agency says it handled nearly 15 million barrels per day in 2025, about 34% of global crude trade. That is not small, that is massive. So what does that mean for regular people? It means this chain reaction matters. Geopolitics, oil prices, gas prices, shipping costs, inflation pressure, interest rate fears, stock market mood. That's why this story matters, even if you never trade a stock in your life. If oil stays high, families feel it, drivers feel it, businesses feel it, travelers feel it, and investors start asking, will inflation stay hot? Will rates stay higher longer? Even Jamie Dimon warned this kind of conflict could push inflation and interest rates higher than people expect. Now here's the lesson for content creators. When the market is only modestly green during a scary global story, people are not looking for hype. They are looking for translation. They want to know, what does this mean for my gas bill? What does this mean for my grocery bill? What does this mean for my investments? What does this mean for the economy next? That means your best videos are not just stocks are up. Your best videos are what this means for regular people. That's the gold.
If this is helping you make sense of the headlines, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Do you think oil is the real story right now? Yes or no?
Here are the 3 takeaways. Number 1, calm headlines can hide real pressure. A green day does not mean risk disappeared. Number 2, oil is the bridge story. If you want visibility on YouTube, don't just talk about stocks. Talk about how oil affects everyday life.
Number 3, clarity wins when fear is high. In moments like this, the creator who explains the news simply will beat the creator who sounds smart but confuses everybody.
So if you're making content, your winning angle is, here's what happened, here's why it matters, and here's what to watch next. Simple, clear, useful. That's how you build trust and views.
Say this with me. I will not be controlled by headlines. I will seek wisdom before reacting. I will learn how the world works. I will stay calm, stay informed, and make better decisions.
Lord, give us wisdom in uncertain times. Help us to stay calm, think clearly, and act with understanding instead of fear. Teach us how to be wise with our money, wise with our words, and wise with our future. Amen. All right, family, this is Wayne. Remember, a rising market does not always mean a peaceful world. Sometimes it just means people are hoping things get better. More videos coming soon. Simple breakdowns, real lessons, and wisdom you can actually use.